drowning in Teams chats and ready to escape. Today, I'll show you how to gracefully exit a Microsoft Teams chat, whether you need a temporary mute or a permanent goodbye. First, locate the chat you want to leave. It'll be listed on the left-hand side of your Teams window. Under the Chat tab, click on it to open the chat conversation. Next, find the three dots the ellipses next to the chat's name at the very top of the window. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. If you just need some peace and quiet, select mute. This will stop notifications from that specific chat, but you'll still be part of the conversation and can read past messages. Now, if you want to completely remove yourself from the chat, choose the leave option. This is a permanent action, so be absolutely sure you want to exit the conversation. A confirmation window will pop up. It will ask if you are sure that you want to leave the chat. Please remember that leaving the chat is permanent. If you are absolutely certain, then click the leave button. You'll be removed from the chat, and it will disappear from your chat list. And that's it. You've successfully left the chat. Remember, if you were the one who initiated the group chat, you won't see the option to leave, as you are essentially the owner. Now you can manage those Teams chats like a pro.